In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and reset pay runs in Xero Payroll. If you've spotted an error in a posted payroll or you need to refresh a draft that's gone out of sync, this walkthrough will show you how to safely back up, make changes, and recalculate. Start by opening your Xero organization and heading to the payroll area. This is your hub for everything related to employee pay. From there, choose Pay Employees to see your list of current and past pay runs. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct pay period and pay calendar, especially if you manage multiple cycles like weekly and monthly. Next, select the specific pay run you want to change. You'll see the details for each employee, along with totals for earnings, deductions, and taxes. If the pay run has already been posted but you need to adjust it, click Revert to Draft. Reverting moves the pay run back to an editable state so you can fix hours, rates, leave, or any one-off items. Keep in mind that if you've already paid employees or submitted filings outside of Xero, you may also need to handle those corrections separately to keep everything aligned. When prompted, confirm by choosing Revert the pay run. Xero will switch the status back to draft. Now you can open each employee's payslip, update the details you need, and review the new totals. Use this route when you only need targeted edits and you're confident the underlying setup is correct. If the draft looks messy or you suspect manual overrides are causing issues, use Reset Pay Run. Clicking Reset clears the manual changes in this draft and rebuilds the payslips from your current employee setup, approved timesheets, and leave balances. It's a clean slate for the run without affecting employee records or approved source data. This is especially helpful after you've updated pay items, added new earnings, or corrected leave settings and want Xero to recalculate from scratch. Confirm the reset by clicking Yes. Xero will recalculate each payslip. Once it's done, carefully review the figures. Check the pay period dates, earnings lines, deductions, taxes, employer contributions, and net pay. If anything still looks off, adjust the employee details or the payslip lines while the run is in draft, then review again. Before you move on with posting and paying as usual, consider exporting or saving a summary for your records. And as a best practice, always verify approvals and timesheets before you revert or reset so your recalculation reflects the right source data. That's it. Now you know how to confidently edit and reset pay runs in Xero Payroll.